Want to understand every word? Let's add caption to any video you are watching in just a few taps. But first, save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add subtitles to TikTok videos. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the TikTok. Select the video you want to add caption for. Next, look for the share icon. It's the little arrow on the side. Tap it to open more options. You are almost there. Scroll through the menu and choose caption. This is where the magic happens. Now toggle the switch next to the show caption. That's it, your caption will be ready to roll. Want caption in a specific language? Tap on the select language. Choose the one you want. Finally, you can watch the video with caption. So this is how to add subtitle to TikTok videos. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.